Hey guys, I'm back with just a quick unboxing. I've never bought anything from Gucci. It just isn't my favorite brand, but I was looking for some really comfortable sandals that are casual but can be dressed up a little bit. And I've eyeballed these for a while and I just finally tried them on. When I tried them on, that's when I knew I was going to buy them. So just a quick unboxing. I love this box. Look how pretty this is. I'm not one that usually wears florals or likes florals, but this is really pretty. So let me just take this little ribbon off. And again, this is my first Gucci purchase. So I don't know how their packaging is, but it's really cute. Okay. And they come in individual dust bags. So I will take one out. Oh, and it's even wrapped in another dust bag. It's just a sandal. I don't think that's necessary, but okay. And there's a nice floral scent actually coming from the box. Is it a floral scent or is it just like brand new shoe scent? I have no idea. Anyways, these are the slides that I got. I know they're very popular. They've been out for a long time. I wasn't a huge fan of this style of shoe, but when I tried them on, they're just so comfortable because they're like, they're not just flat. They have like indentations where your feet go, and they actually match my foot well. So I got a 38. I'm usually a size 8 or an 8.5, depending on how the shoe runs. So I would say these run true to size or slightly big. But yeah, quick unboxing. Here's the other one. If anybody has these, tell me how they hold up over time, because I plan on wearing the crap out of these, and they're probably, I don't know how they're going to be, you know, a year from now. So I also ordered another pair of Gucci flip-flops that are supposed to get delivered today, but I'm so busy this weekend. I just wanted to get this video out and show you guys. And I guess thanks for watching. See you next time.